guys, is our last week in phonics where we're going to be talking about short and long vowels. After this week, we're ready to move on. So this week, our last vowel to learn about is the short U. And short U says like you're hit in the gut. So everybody say Okay, that's the short U. Okay? And our black card, Mrs. Murphy didn't pull it out, is ugly umpire Okay? Now, our long U this week is going to have the bossy E at the end. Or we've learned that it's the sneaky E. We've learned it's the silent E. We've learned it's the magic E. And today, we're going to learn that it is the super E. Can you guys see that on my clever touch? The super E. So this is our last name that we can call it, the super E. So we're going to watch a video about super E. Okay?
There are two ways to make a vowel say its name. Super E and two vowels together. I'm Super E. Super E. Not every E is a Super E. Let me tell you how you can find me and how I make vowels say their name. I can jump over one letter, and if I find a vowel, I can make it say its name. Like this. G-A-M-E. That's game. I made the A. Say A. Without me, G-A-M says gam. But with super E at the end, G-A-M-E says game. He can jump over one letter, and if he finds a vowel, he can make it say his name, just like this. Not every E is a super E. Let me tell you how you can find me and how I can make vowels say their name. Like this. K-I-T-E. That's kite. I made the I say I. Without me, K-I-T. That's kit. But with super E at the end, K-I-T says kite. He can jump over one letter, and if he finds a vowel, he can make it say his name, just like this. Not every E is a super E. R-O-P-E. That's rope. I made the O say O. Without me, R-O-P says rock. But with super E at the end, R-O-P-E says rope. Super E. He can jump over one letter, and if he finds a vowel, he can make it say his name, just like this. Super E. He can jump over one letter, and if he finds a vowel, he can make it say his name, just like this. Super E. There are two ways to make a vowel say its name. I'm Super E. Oh yeah. Do you see? Super E. Can you see? Super E. Do you see? Super E. Oh yeah. Super E. Woo! Super E. Oh yeah.
Let the whole thing go into the duck screen.
Okay, so this week, you can remember super E to help you make the U long. Okay? John?
It said roll.
Said rope. It did, didn't it? Or rope. Yeah, you're right. Okay, put your name at the top, please. I'll wait till everybody has their name at the top. All right. On the top in that little box, It says the letter U can stand for the short U sound you hear in cut. The long U sound you hear in cute can be spelled with a U consonant E. So if we don't put that E in there, it's short, it's cut. However, if we put that E at the end of it, that E jumps over, it's super, and makes the U long. Okay? Now, down below, we're going to choose the word from the box that names each picture and then write it on the line. So, all together, I want to hear all my second graders helping Mrs. Murphy. We're going to read these 4 words. We're going to start with the first one. Put your finger on it, please. Or your pencil. That pencil works. All right, let's say the first word together. Ready? Mule. Okay, let's say it again.
Mule.
Okay, so let's say the next one.
Tub.
Tub. Cube. Okay, so look at number 1. What is that a picture of? Aria. Think of the words that we just said. I don't think we just said bear. It looks like a bear, but it's not because that's not one of our words. Eli?
Cup.
Cub. And how do you spell cup?
C-U-B.
C-U-B. There's a short U. Cub. Cub. Number 2. What do you think that is, Ellie?
Mule.
Mule. How do you spell that?
M-U-L-E.
Good. M-U-L-E. Mule. Okay, that super E jumps over to make that U long. Number 3. What is that? Tyson, what do you think that is? Number 3. What do you think that is, Tyson? A tub or a cube? You are right. It is a cube. So, super or silent E? Exactly. So, Addie, notice right here, if we take away this E, it's cup. So that E is so important. If you want that vowel to be long, you have to put that E. And then the last one, everybody, what's the last one?
Tub.
That's a short U. Tub. Good job. Okay, now we're going to go on to the bottom. This is a new skill that Mrs. Murphy hasn't really talked much about yet, but it says vowel consonant E syllables often have the long sound of the vowel. Okay? So look at numbers 5 and 6. We're going to have to divide each word into syllables. Write each syllable. Okay, so when we clap syllables, you guys did that last year in first grade, right?
Yeah.
You clap syllables. Now this year in second grade, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to look to make sure every syllable has one vowel sound. Okay? It might have more than one vowel, but it can only have one vowel sound, and I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. So look at number 5. This word is pancake. Let's clap the word together. Ready?
Pancake.
Where do we divide that word? Riley? Pancake. Where should we cut the word in half at? Where do you think? Pan-cake. Pan. Good job. Just do this. Pan. So we're going to, the first one is pan. So on the first line, we're going to put pan. And guess what? We have one vowel sound. We have that short A. Now, our next syllable in pan, cake, is what, Ellie? job. Now, cake also has one vowel sound. It has just the long A because that E is silent. Do you guys see how there's two vowels? But guess what? That E doesn't say anything. It's silent. So really, it's only the A that's being long. Okay? So see, every syllable has to have one vowel sound. Not more than one, just one. It can have more than one vowel, but usually that E is silent. Or sometimes we'll have vowel T's, and we'll learn about that soon too. Ellie.
I know the next one.
Oh, Ellie, can you say the next word?
Excuse.
Excuse. Okay?
Excuse you if you want.
Right, so let's clap it all together. Ready?
Excuse you.
Where should we break that one apart? Brooklyn? After which letter? No. That's not it. You did find the word use. No, that's not right though. Okay, good try. Raylan. You want to come up and show us? Let's see if Raylan can get it right. Brooklyn's close, but not quite. Yes, Raylan is right. After the X, not the C, because we have X, EX. Good job, Raylan. So draw a line there, guys. We have EX, X. And then we have use. Or excuse. 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 So again, we have the long U sound over there. We have the short E in this one, and the long U over there. Wyatt, do you have a question?
Actually, two words. So you take away
The C, and then you would have the word use. You're right. It'd be use, or it could be us, if you took away the E. You're right. Good job.